Men can't resist what kind of woman. In fact, it is really not the woman who is the best to him and has always paid for him, but the woman who has her own principles and framework, and can't shake any routine. This will make a man feel strong from the bottom of his heart and willingly value and pamper him. Today I will teach you a cruel trick to build a framework. No matter what storms and waves this man has experienced, he will definitely be impressed by you in the end, and then he will love you more and more. If the other party is very strong, and the other party has its own set of framework, so what should I do? Open the frame with the frame. This trick specializes in some difficult men, and one of the core ideas is to ease the relationship and delay satisfaction. To ease the relationship is to let the relationship slow down first, so as not to be led by a man. Delayed satisfaction means that you will not meet his needs until the other party follows your framework. Let me give you an example. I have a member who met a high-quality man in the Chamber of Commerce. Everyone is in the same group, and the chat is not bad. After the two of them went home, they continued to be ambiguous online for a week and made an appointment for dinner. Unexpectedly, when the two of them were about to separate after dinner, this man with a gentle appearance suddenly kissed my member's face. But the student was very fast and got out of the way all of a sudden. He felt very uncomfortable with this behavior and went home immediately. I fully understand this student, but he treats his feelings more conservatively and doesn't want to be whored for nothing. Afterwards, the man did not apologize, and he did not explain confidently. It's just that I think you are so cute, that's why I can't help it. At that time, I hurriedly analyzed with this member. This is the man who is implanting a framework into you. On the surface, he thinks you are cute, he likes you very much, and he can't help but kiss you. But many people here will think how high he has given you recognition and appreciation. In fact, he didn't pay attention to your feelings at all, and he didn't respect your wishes. He just did whatever he wanted with you in the name of liking you. Now, he doesn't respect you anymore. What will happen to you after you are together? He will be more selfish, doing whatever he likes, regardless of your feelings. So now it is necessary to pass out your framework and your rules immediately. Of course, I also sorted out some words for him, probably because I think you are pretty good. But your behavior today really scared me. I like to hide when I'm scared. Of course, I can understand romance and surprises, but I also understand that in a relationship without preparation and process, it will only be vague. In my principle, kiss is a privilege only for boyfriends. Even if I am very good at it myself, I will put the rules first. So first of all, we have to express our feelings and resist his disrespect. The same behavior will scare you and make you uncomfortable. So don't be too strong on me, and don't lie to me. Then the consequence of my discomfort is that I will go home, and I will stop the relationship, delaying satisfaction. You don't have the possibility of cutting you off. You mean you can kiss me if you want, but you have to work harder. You have to be my boyfriend. So you passed on your principles and indicated the rhythm and way you want. This man is also a smart person. He knows that this girl is not easy to fool, but she is very conquering. It is very precious for a girl with a brain to be beautiful. He didn't dare to play tricks anymore, so he apologized to my member honestly, and then he really pursued her very seriously. The gift is not missed at all, and there is no need to remind it. So at that critical moment, under my control, the student achieved what he wanted. Do a good job of the framework. It's hard for your feelings to go wrong. If you still don't think these are enough, or you have a complex case and don't know how to deal with it, you can come and be my student, and study in a targeted manner. If a woman wants emotional freedom, she must really add a little skill. Want deeper training or my consultation? Join my program, I can guide you. Many of my clients have transformed their relationships this way.